As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Performance Series 4-burner and the American Gourmet Classic 3-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Performance Series. That's the B07JZV24HV1, right?
Yeah, that's the one. It's got 4 burners, 475 square inches of cooking space, and a side burner.
Right. And the Classic 3-burner, ASIN B07D7W9TZ2, is a bit smaller, right? Only 360 square inches and 3 burners. No side burner on that one.
Exactly. So bigger grilling surface and that extra burner on the Performance Series sounds nice for bigger cookouts, but is it worth the extra cost? It's almost double the price.
Well, let's look at the BTU rating. The 4-burner puts out 36,000 BTUs, while the 3-burner is 30,000.
So, more power for the larger grill?
Yep, potentially faster heating and better searing, especially with that extra burner. The grates are different too. The Performance Series has porcelain-coated cast iron, which are supposed to retain heat better and give you better grill marks. The Classic is just porcelain-coated wire.
Ah, okay. Cast iron sounds more premium. What about size?
The Performance is definitely bigger overall, like 53 inches wide compared to the Classic's 51 inches. It's also heavier at 85 pounds versus 48.5 pounds. So the Classic is easier to move around.
Good point. I don't want to throw my back out.
And the Classic Series is cheaper, and honestly, for smaller families or occasional grilling, it might be plenty. Plus, it still has those side shelves for prep space.
True, but the Performance Series has LED illuminated knobs, which sounds kind of cool for nighttime grilling.
Haha, yeah, that's a nice touch. And it has electronic ignition, while the Classic uses piezo ignition. Both should work fine, but electronic is generally more reliable.
Okay, so Performance Series is bigger, more powerful, has better grates and some fancy features, but it's significantly more expensive and heavier. The Classic is more affordable, lighter, and simpler, but with less cooking space and fewer features.
Exactly. It really boils down to how often you grill and how much space you need. And your budget, of course.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.